Hello, in this video, we will continue to introduce strings. Let's look at the operators in and not in. Now, you can use the in and not in operator to test if a substring is in a string. So here, come in S1, S1 is welcome, that's true. Come not in S1, that is false. Comparing strings, you can compare strings using the relational operators, equal, not equal, greater than, or equal to, less than, and less than or equal to. So this is example. Green equal to grow, that's false. Green not equal to grow, that is true. So here's the example. You can compare these two strings, enter two strings. If S2 is less than S1, we're going to swap the two strings using the simultaneous assignment and print the two strings in this order. Several Python's built-in functions can be used with strings. This is len to get the number of characters in the string. So this is S is welcome, len S is 7, max S to return the maximum character in the string, that is O. Min S returns the smallest character, that's the W. This is by their Unicode. So the Unicode for W is lower than the uppercase W is lower than the lowercase letters. You can use the index operator. This is also known as subscript operator in some other languages. So this is S brackets with the index. So this S brackets 2, that is O. Now you can also use a range S2 to 8. And this is all the way from this 2 to 8, but before 8, it's actually from 2 to 7. So this is right here. Now you can also use the -1. This -1 means you get index relative to the end of the string. So the relative to the end of string, that is here, it is -1, and this is E. And -2 is M. So this is the slicing operators. You have start and end, and here is S. This is 1 up to 4. Here is before 4 is 1, 2, 3. So this is ELC. That is the sliding. And you can omit the first one. That means from 0. So that is from the first one. You can omit the last one, and that's going to be all the way to the very end. So this is 4, and that's right here, OME. You can also use the relative to the end. So this is -1 means the last one, so this is ELCM, but this has to be before the last one, so that's M. So just like this 6, it's before 6 is 5. So here all the way 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's here. 4, 5. So that's here, 5. That is all for this video on the strings. See you on the next video.